still here. You want your greenie? Here you go. He's obsessed with greenies. If you have a pet, I highly recommend getting greenies because as a treat, they're very healthy, and for some reason, my cat absolutely adores them, loves them. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna get on our back again. If you wanna do this in your bed or on the floor, you can get some extra padding, like you could put a blanket on top of your yoga mat, because we will be doing some stuff on our back here. So go ahead and make your way onto your back. Nice and slow. And we're just going to start by flexing the feet, like you're pushing your feet into the wall. I guess I bored him. Reach your arms up overhead. Go ahead and reach long through your right fingertips as you push down on your left heel. So it's alternate arm stretch here. So reach long through those right fingertips and push down on that left heel. And then release. Reach long through those left fingertips and push down on your right heel. So you're moving in opposite directions. So reaching those left fingertips really far back and push that right heel down. And then release your arms down and relax your legs. Go ahead and place your hands on your belly. We're gonna do windshield wiper. You're gonna go ahead and bend your knees. Feet a little further apart, a little further than hip distance. Knees towards the ceiling, plant your feet. Take a breath in and exhale, drop your knees to the right. And just hang out here for a breath in and a breath out. Just feeling the weight of the knees drop to the right. Inhale to center and then exhale, drop your knees to the left. Be here for a breath in and a breath out. Inhale. And then exhale. Inhale and then exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale, drop those knees. Inhale to center, exhale over to the other side. And make your way back to center. Walk your feet in a little bit. So now we're going to do some marching with the knees. So place your hands alongside your body, palms face down. Roll those shoulders back into the ground. So you're going to take the right knee up towards the chest and put the foot down. Then you're going to take the left knee up and take the foot down. So now you're just going to march in place. You can put your hands on your belly and like really engage your core muscles if you really want to do a little bit more core work. And just slowly bend that knee, foot off the floor, and put the foot back down. So you're kind of marching in place here. You can do about 10 to 15 of these, depending how you feel, or if you want to do more. Make sure you pause if you want to do another set. So just take a breath or two, and then return and do another set. Don't forget to breathe. Okay. And then place your feet back on the floor. So go ahead now, we're going to do some kicks here. So you're going to take your right leg out, no higher than your left knee. So if you have to look. So you want your right knee in line with your left. Go ahead and bend and put your foot back on the floor. So go ahead and kick, no higher than the left knee. Hold, you may feel a little burn in the quad here. And go ahead and place that foot back on the floor. One more time, kick. And place that foot on the floor. Like once again, you could do, depending how you feel, if you have knee surgery, you might want to take your time with this, or if you have a knee discomfort, do about 5 to 10 or do 10 to 15 if you want, depending like once again how you feel. And let's do the other side. So go ahead, once again, kick the leg out, no higher than the right knee. Go ahead and place the foot on the floor. Take a breath in and kick. Exhale, place that foot back on the floor. Go ahead one more time, kick, and place the foot on the floor. Okay, so this is just a little warm-ups for the quads and for the knees. So now go ahead and place your hands on the floor. Go ahead and bring both legs up. Some of you may not get into a 90-degree position. You might have a slight bend, that's okay. Otherwise, go ahead, feet up and pedal out. Wherever you're at, you're gonna slowly pedal the feet here. So point and then flex. Engage the core, breathe, and just get some movement here in the ankles, and then relax and maybe some circles. This is good to get the blood flow back down into the legs. If you stand a lot or walk a lot, this is a nice little exercise to do. And then reverse. Then push the feet into the ceiling, hug your knees into the chest, and place your feet back on the floor. We're going to do that again. Legs up, feet to the ceiling. Once again, pedal out, nice and slow. So you could do this with the legs up for a little bit more of advance, or you could do this on laying down, with your, sitting up with your legs out long. It's another version of this. And then we're going to cross, scissor our legs. So one leg in front of the other. Breathe. And then flex. Hug the knees into the chest and place your feet on the floor. Take the legs out long, give them a little shake. So for the pointing and the flexing of the feet, you could do this while you're laying down. You point one foot, those toes, say the right side, then flex the left heel and then switch. So if you're in bed and you feel like this is enough, that's your level right now. So just practice that and then work your way up to bring the legs straight up into the sky. Okay, so bend the knees once again. Walk the feet in, bring the knees up and over to the right. We're going to do a spinal twist now. So you're stacking your knees. If you like, you can always place a pillow between the legs. Put your right hand outside the left leg. You can bring your left arm out. Right now I don't have enough room for that. So take a breath in. Exhale, drop those knees to the right and just relax your left shoulder and go ahead and look over to the left. For those who are pretty good at this, you can always take that left leg out for a longer stretch here. Two different versions here. So you can bend the knee or the leg out. Looking over to the left, take a breath in and a breath out. So you could be here as long as you like. If anybody has neck problems, go ahead and look at the ceiling and just breathe. Okay, to come out of that, place both hands on the floor, use your core, come on over to the other side. I'm gonna have to adjust a little bit here. Stack your knees to the left. Push your hand on the left leg, right arm out in a T formation. Look over to the right fingertips if you like. Take a breath in and exhale, drop those knees to the left and relax that right shoulder. Once again, you can always look up towards the ceiling if your neck bothers you, and you can always kick that right leg out and over. And just breathe. And just breathe into the twist. Nice slow breath in. And then exhale. Place the hands on the floor, use your core, come back to center. Hug those knees in. And then place your feet back on the floor. Go ahead and take the legs out once again. And take a deep breath in. And exhale.